Growing a YouTube is hard and confusing when starting out. Getting 0 views is heartbreaking. Waking up and seeing that your channel has got no more subscribers for the last month. Oh, it's so sad. I know how that feels. The advice in this video has been gathered from all over the internet from expert YouTube teachers like Mr. Beast and Paddy Galloway, and will help you get more views, subscribers, wealth and more. All of the steps must be followed in order. Don't skip any, as they all work together, and there are also some super useful golden tips throughout this video, so make sure you watch all of it to not miss out. Okay, the first one. Don't do sub for sub. Sub for sub doesn't work. Sub for sub is when you put a comment down and you say, if you subscribe to me, I will subscribe to you. People who are subscribing, they are not very interested in your channel. They will see your videos pop up for them on their feed, but they will not click on it. And what will happen? YouTube will not push your videos out because they are seeing that no one is clicking on your videos. Reply to your comments. They will love you for this. People want to be heard. Provide actual value. Don't just talk about your opinions when you are small, to actually help your viewers. Make videos that people actually want to watch. Ask yourself, would you actually watch your own videos? I made this mistake myself a lot of times. I made videos that were quite boring, but now I try to improve that and make videos that I will actually find interesting. Make videos that there is an audience for. Are there other YouTubers that are making the same videos that you want to make? Research how many people play the game that you are making for a video before you even start. If no one plays the game, then this is what you're gonna get. That's what happens when no one plays the game that you are playing. Okay, bonus, another golden tip. When you make a video, rewatch it again before you upload it. If you like the video and you think it's entertaining and you're laughing and smiling and while you are editing and you are thinking, wow, this video is amazing, then guess what? People are going to like it as well. Okay, the next one. When you start out, do not expect huge views. On your first 10 videos, maybe your first 20 videos, just keep learning, keep getting better. You will get better and you will improve. Okay, if this video is helping you out so far, then make sure you help out this channel too, Puzzle. My name is Mahad, and on this channel we help people improve their YouTube channels by getting more views, subscribers and increase their income so they can live a life of financial independence and happiness. Hit that subscribe button. Your videos have to be extreme opinion, extreme challenge, largest, fastest. This person made $1 million, this person got 2 billion views. Don't do boring content. Super extreme gets views. Okay, another tip. Get someone to roast your video, criticize your video. They should give you feedback. This is constructive feedback. This is because sometimes you might not realize how good your video is. Okay, this is a golden tip. Get into the community that you are making the videos for. Get deep into your topic. Learn what your audience wants. Go into Reddit. Go into the Discord communities. Find out what your audience actually likes. Okay, this tip is more about motivation. I'm going to motivate you right now, so stay tuned. Don't compare yourself to bigger YouTubers. Don't keep worrying about your numbers in the analytics. Do it because you love it. Don't give up. I believe in you. This is why I, Mahad, made this channel. Those were a lot of golden tips, right? Now I have another golden tip. Don't be a perfectionist. Don't waste time. Just start uploading. Hit record and edit and upload. Do it right now. Don't waste time. Yesterday you said today. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday you said tomorrow. So just do it. Do it.
Just hit record and upload. You'll figure it out with time. But once you start, how can you actually make money from YouTube? I explain that right here in this video that I made for you. Click right here.